Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you the different kind of emulators, so you have a better understanding about how this one works. In this case, this one is the transponder chip 8. We're going to test it here, and so you can see this is for a Tacoma or Tundra, and it's showing the 8.8 chip, and we're gonna test the frequency. It's gonna be 312, 314. So in this case, we use the LK1, and how we use it is like, if you want to reuse one like this, you just put her on the sensor, press this button right here.
Reading key. Key recognition successful. Please programming this device to the car as a new key.
So when you get a successful recognition, all you do is add this as a second key and then confirm when the device will ask you, and you're done. So we're talking about 8.8 chip and 315 megahertz key. You can reuse any style with the same chip and frequency. Now the second one is the 4A chip. Instead of unlocking it, soldering wires, so we're gonna test this one. This should be 4A. Well, let's try the frequency, and it's still the same. So we're gonna test the transponder chip. This belongs to a Corolla. If you get one like that and we want to reuse, this one is 4A, 312, 314 frequency. So in this case, we're going to use the IM001. I use it all the time. So you do the same.
Reading key.
It's going to recognize the
Key
key.
recognition successful.
So
Please programming this device to the car as a new key.
So now in this case, you just program these same as the 8.8. So we're getting this. And last, I have the HK001. And this one I use for Kia, Hyundai, different styles, different frequency. And this one works differently. It doesn't work just like that one. This one you gotta use an app, and I'm gonna show you right now which one is the app. So right now I'm gonna see if I can screen record. Let me see. See, we use this one, and then we're gonna open the app. All right, so this is the app that you need to open or download. So I'm gonna show you how this one works. So HK001, that's for Hyundai and Kia. So if you want to generate a same part number smart key, all you do is confirm which model. In this case, we can try this, and it'll show you the steps, what you need to do. And the unit comes with different cables and adapters, so you can solder and do all the functions that you need. So that's how you do this one, and you can choose any other model. This one is a little bit different than the other ones. Then you have a smart key copy, same thing, just follow the directions used to unlock them. If you want to unlock them and reuse them, you can use the same accessory. You can contact me if you have any questions about it, and thank you again for watching.